This hub, along with the rest of the Made Smarter program, are designed for use really for multiple people. So it's manufacturers themselves, whether it's large or small across any sectors. It's technology developers, again, large ones, small ones, but also building bridges between academia and industry as well. So we'd like to get involved with all of those parties and then draw in investors and other parties as part of that. So it's really for everyone. The Digital Supply Chain Hub is really an environment where we can bring together innovators from manufacturing, from digital technologies to really see how we can accelerate digital innovations that will deliver sustainable, resilient supply chains in the future.
Collaboration matters for supply chains because they are systems. They are big, interconnected, organic, gnarly, complex systems. And if you don't share, you'll never be able to unpick how that system works.
We can't be sustainable, we can't reduce carbon, we can't do the things that we need to do unless we're doing joined up thinking. So some of that is going to come down to working out what's good, what's bad, and then encouraging people to tell stories. What has worked when it comes to supply chain digitization and what hasn't? Because if we're not sharing those stories of things that haven't worked, then everyone just repeats the same failures across different sectors.
Many of the solutions are already active out there. The issue is that they're not being mainstreamed within industry. So by working collectively across our whole ecosystem, we bring together the supply chain technology companies, finance, insurance, and the entire ecosystem of companies that need to embrace these solutions to see them deployed across the system. What we do is we make the funding, our resources and our teams and our networks available to the supply chains and the supply chain technology companies to see the deployment of these technologies in real world, to optimize that data flow and return efficiency to product and money flow.
People want to do something different with their supply chain. They want to be able to improve it, they want some efficiency, some effectiveness. And that's kind of a sweeping statement, I guess, but when you've got multiple sectors in a room, the fact that there's a collective understanding that needs to happen is a good takeaway.
The hub, innovating in that, bringing new digital capabilities and technologies to bear, is going to really help those supply chains, and also the ability to collaborate across organisations within the UK, across their supply chains, to work together to solve these important problems is also really critical.
This is a 3.5-year programme, so the conversation began today. The opportunities that the hub offers is that opportunity to continue that conversation and not just have a talking shop, but actually have conversations which spur action, which will really make a difference to supply chains in the future.
When you see how they come together, the potential power of digital technology and how it can transform manufacturing, it's really exciting.